Welcome back.
This is Damon Wolf.
23 yards.
My name is Carter Koch. Welcome back.
We've made it, boy.
First fish of the day. We're here with Nate Wager. Let's just see if there's a way over here, but dude, look at that bird. Let's go. That was a little sketchy. Yeah, I think we almost died about 20 times. I think cars like mirrors were actually hitting my shoulder. It's alright, we're here now. We made it to the fishing spot. I mean, that's all that matters. Fishing's better than life.
Yeah, I'd rather have fishing than my life.
Alright, so we're here at the Rum River. I haven't fished in probably like 4 weeks. Yeah, some great graffiti artists decided to visit the river as well. I heard this is like a really good like hangout spot for the fishermen.
I mean, just gonna try to catch some smallmouth today. River, spot.
I'm actually
Better than Orno, so.
I'm actually gonna go for some bluegills, I think. I heard rivers are good for those.
So, throwing this little football head jig here with a little summer craw, rage tail craw on the trailer. You just want to drag this on the bottom over those rocks. What smallmouth will do, they'll sit behind rocks, and when something comes up, they'll ambush it and just eat it. So, I'm just looking for a hungry smallmouth. Well, the spot is really shallow, and I saw some water over there that was really calm. I saw a fish surface and eat something, but I'm not really sure if there's any fishable water over there. The bank is kind of like, dude, what is that? Giant bug on my neck. And I've been bitten by about 20 bugs. Next time I know to wear pants, and I'll be chilling.
Yeah. Chilling.
Not going the best right now. Little tip and tricks for you new fishermen. Do you see how the fluorocarbon meets the braid? It's called a Alberto knot. What it's doing is it makes like the line so they can't really see it, because this is clear in the water, you can't see that. So just a little bit of a bonus to help you, and it just gives that bait more action down there. Instead of having 20-pound braid for your main line, you have 20-pound braid, and then like this is 12-pound fluoro. You can go to mono or whatever, but just a little tip, you can search it up online, Alberto knot, how to tie it. That's what I did, and I think it's worth it. Really bad day of fishing. It was terrible. Don't think we'll ever come to the spot again. If you guys want to come and try it, do it. You'll never want to come again. But anyways, check out our TikTok, like and subscribe. Road to 300 subscribers. Carter's trying to catch a crawfish right now. We just wanted to get some footage for you guys, and we caught no fish doing it. But we'll try to get another video out for you guys where we actually catch something. So stay tuned.